You wouldn't believe the deals that we have coming this September. Everything at the Rack Stacker warehouse is a minimum of 5% off. We've also even got big deals on our Moose Licks and Deer Licks blocks. The first 50 customers that walk through our door gets a free bag of Entice. If you consider yourself a land manager, you're going to want to get in on this. Our food plot seed is going on sale for a season clearance. Best to stock up now before next spring. For one day only, we've got lots of Groundhog Maxes in stock and we're offering $50 off. Now's the time to get into that bush and get the food plots from that you want. Bear slop, bull slop, buck slop, and molasses is all on sale too. A fan favorite is the Rack Stacker Protein Block. It's okay, we got lots in stock for this coming September. Rest assured that we're going to have lots of stock, especially of the Auto Feeder and the Rack Stacker Original Deer Feed, one of Canada's favorite and most popular products out there. Bring the truck, the trailer, the kids, and the camp buddies. We'll see you September 11th.